Hi everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, and today we're back again with another video. In today's video, we're looking at how to automatic park the 2022 X3 and X4. Now, if you've been with me since the very beginning, you'll know that my very first YouTube video, and you can go and check this yourself, was a video on how to get the X3 to automatic park. Now, since the 2022 model has a different setup, now has the remote start, I was curious, do you still have to press and hold the park assist button while attempting to do this? And the answer is no. So this video is going to show you how to set up and how to use the automatic parking feature in your 2022 BMW X3 and X4. Okay, so step number one, your seatbelt has to be on, and chances are if you've driven to a parking lot, your seatbelt was already on. So we'll go to the next step. Okay, so step number two, we've arrived to the parking lot, so the first thing we'll do is we'll press the park assist button. Once we press this, this is the view that will appear on the screen. So you have to make sure that this thing here that says automatic parking is checked off, and what it will do now is I'm just going to get the car into drive, and we're going to go drive right beside the row of cars where we'd like to park. So we have to be within 5 feet in front of the row of cars. So you'll start to see that it is actually sensing the spots beside us. Now, the criteria that must be met is that the spot that we will attempt to do this in has to be 1.5 the width of the vehicle. So this is for a 90-degree park. So we're gonna go past the spot we're trying to attempt. So there it is. It's found a suitable spot. So this letter P showed up, and it says, well, it says put some gas, but it says select symbol for parking space. So I'm gonna press that P button there, and automatically it says to start parking, take hands off steering wheel and release brake. So unlike the 2021 model, you do not have to press and hold the park assist button. You can just release the brake. So it's already started signaling. The car's already put itself into reverse, and my hands are off the steering wheel. I'm going to take my foot off of the brake now, and let's see what's going on. So the car is turning and reversing. Now it says observe surroundings and intervene if necessary, so my foot is just ready to press the brake. Now it's just put itself into drive. It's going forwards. And now it's put itself back into reverse. It's turned the steering wheel, and it is getting into that spot perfectly straight. And once it's there, the car puts itself into park. It says vehicle secured, completed, and now the car is parked. And this little image shows how big your doors can open so you don't bang them when you open them. So that's pretty well how you do it. So really the only difference now is in the X3 and the X4, you no longer have to press and hold the park assist button like you used to have to in the 2021 versions. Okay, so there you have it. There is a slight change in the way that you operate the automatic parking in the new 2022 X3 and X4. So I wanted to make a video because I've definitely got some clients who want to know how to use this feature. So I had to make an updated video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks again.